Hi guys, welcome back to Prospect Channels TV. We don't bring you another Ogbonge update. Waiting they happen for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's court currently. The IPOB leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu returned to court today, May 28th, once again. Una know say this matter don't dey grand now, and I'm telling you, it's not easy. Meanwhile, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu appear in court today in a very high spirit. Based on wetin don dey happen, the UN delegates who have been coming to observe what is happening in this very court matter, because the matter don dey ICC, International Criminal Court as well. So these delegates, when they come the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu trial, na to observe wetin dey happen for court. Based on what happened for court the other time, when the DSS come confess say no be dem bring Mazi Nnamdi Kanu come Nigeria, and the Interpol come still talk say their hand not dey for the matter. The Kenyan government come talk say they were not aware of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's abduction. Now today, it was really very shocking that these UN delegates now decided to ask Nigerian the federal government prosecutors questions, Justice Omowolo San, who actually arrested Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya. That time, court come burst into commotion. Who actually arrested Mazi Nnamdi Kanu from Kenya? This question, up till now, the federal government of Nigeria, they never fit answer am. Before these people come ask this question, Nigerians don't they ask this question. How Mazi Nnamdi Kanu take waka come Nigeria? So now no say, una evaluated international law, local law, and you still they do am like, I go do you, nothing you go fit do. It don't make sense now. Now you do wrong, now you still they raise shoulder. Say nothing you go fit do. It doesn't make sense. And Nigerian human rights lawyers, they talk say waiting the federal government of Nigeria they do concerning Mazi Nnamdi Kanu matter. See, they very bad. With everything that happened, how he came back from Kenya to Nigeria, how his house was invaded in 2017. Nigerian government not try for this trial when they do now. You understand? But you see, this is a country when we say anything can go in. It was even yesterday, the legal team representing Mazi Nnamdi Kanu raised fresh objections to the ongoing trial of the indigenous people of Biafra IPOB leader, insisting that the proceedings lack legal merit and it contravenes both Nigerian and international laws. So, in a statement signed by Onyeka Chukwu, Esquire, on the behalf of IPOB's Directorate of Legal Affairs and Global Public Communication, the group argued that the current trial being held before Justice Omotosho at the Federal High Court in Abuja is fatally flawed by procedural and jurisdictional infractions that, in their view, render it unconstitutional. So, according to the statement, section 76 1D3 or in brackets of the Terrorism Prevention and Prohibition Act 2022 stipulates that a person may not be tried for a terrorism-related offense unless such an offense has been evaluated and recognized in the country from which the individual was extradited. So the IPOB legal team ascertains that no such legal process occurred in Kenya prior to Kanu's transfer to Nigeria, therefore questioning the jurisdiction of any Nigerian court to hear this very case. So the team also invoked the principle of speciality, a doctrine in international law which limits prosecution to charges explicitly stated in law in a lawful extradition request. They maintain that Kanu was not formally extradited from Kenya and allege that his transfer to Nigeria did not follow due processes under international legal frameworks. So according to the legal counsel, they cited 45 of the Federal High Court Act, which states that terrorism-related cases should be tried in the jurisdiction where the alleged offense occurred or where its consequences were felt. So the group contends that the act attributed to Kanu took place outside Nigeria, notably in the United Kingdom and Kenya, challenging the choice of Abuja as a venue for the trial. See, I'm telling you guys that this case is going to expose the Nigerian government too much. It's exposing the Nigerian government too much. You see, today, Nigeria is now being seen as a country who does not obey its own law. Nigeria not obey our own law. They make law, they broke the laws. You understand? This is really very, very wrong. Anyway, make we see wetin dey happen or wetin go happen. But I am telling you that this matter, e no go dey well at all for Nigerian government, the way when e take dey do. So the confusion today in court is because these delegates asked this question: who actually arrested Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? How did he get to Nigeria as the federal government prosecutor? Con dey confused as the message take on. So now here I go drop am for here. We'll keep you posted as the court case proceed. Thank you. Share this video, make it go viral so that Nigerians go understand wetin dey happen today in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's trial. Thank you. Bye for now.